Fresh para kay Jun Limpot, napaganda nung kanya.
Para kay Jun Limpot.
Santa Lucia dito.
Gio. Running Sadok takes it away. Handing it off to Balingan, who's blocked by Jun Limpot. A terrific block there by Limpot. Siguro sabi niya kay Balingit, bata, dahan-dahan ka.
Gordon ay bumubugol ng 39% Diyan agitang mga in your face na tirada ni Jun Limpot.
Pero huwag naman sunod-sunod.
In your face. Ayan, binawi ni Jun Limpot.
Johnny Barrientos.
Second delivery ni Johnny Barrientos. Second slam. Jun Limpot.
Ito makikita po rin nyo na binigay.
Limpot, binubulabog.
Agawad, nagkagulo na.
Tinira niya. Pumasok! Aba naman!
Ilang beses na natin.
Nabulabog, nakahiga, nakaupo sa sahig. He kept on hustling. Sabi niya, tinitira ko to. Suwak na suwak. Jun Limpot, 11 points.
Okay yung Pantera. That shot by Jun Limpot.
Parang naglalaro ka ng Mahjong dito.
Jun Limpot.
Ayun na naman.
Patay kay Jun.
They have to make some adjustments there. They cannot get Sigel to continue to guard him. Actually, mas mabuti yan. Lagay mo na kay Parker yan. That Parker is a good defender at the post. At the same time, kilala ni Parker yan si Jun Limpot. Iniiwan-iwanan si Jason.
Kilala niya ang mga habits ng mga ito. At si Jun Limpot, siguro si Espino, ang tagal niya nang inaalagaan yung mga yan. Para mga anak niya.
Free throw shooting but very strong inside player. Nice block by Limpot. Again, Jun Limpot. Look at this. Controlling the blue paint with a lot of intimidation.
Nadulas na naman. Jun.
Wise nadulas. Jun Limpot taking advantage of the situation as Dan Wise was down on the floor. Donald slow-mo on your screens as Dan Wise. Alam na niya kung ano mangyayari. Napatungo na lang siya.
Yes, we stole the ball and then we were able to get an easy 2 points.
Of course, Alvarez once scored 71 points dito po sa PBA. Kung palitratuhan din lang, lista mo na yung yun para kay Jun Limpot.
Up against Parker, yes, a nice decoy play by Benji Paras. Susupawin mo ko. Ito si Limpot, driving in! Bingo! Yun, ang problema ni Marlo. Si Jun Limpot has all those moves. Pero siyang move ng isang small forward eh. Ito, kita mo yung kilos na yun. Cisco.
Ayun, ang ganda
Inside si Jun Limpot. Kinigan si Aquino and he will get his 2 points plus a foul on Marlo Aquino.
Yan, ang shoot pinagkatrabaho na.
So makikita natin si Limpot ang trabaho to. Ayan na. Ang wakas na nakuha niya yung dalawang puntos niya si Jun Limpot.
Dito sa ating ball game. Well, Jun Limpot wanted some space. They called him for the hook. He doesn't have to do it that way. No, nobody home there. Jun Limpot will lay this one in easily.
Jun Limpot investing the defense. Inside pass to Jun Limpot. And the scorer moving closer, binigay kay Jun Limpot. And that's the equalizer at 89 all. So yan ang ating champion. Uy! Jun Limpot, lusok! Simpleng basketball pinakikita ni Jun Limpot dito.
The Pilipinas. Jun Limpot with his move, getting an open shot. Feels tough.
Puts the investing the defense inside to Jun Limpot.
Siya pa rin ang nasa itaas.
Jun Limpot talagang sa pilitan ng kinukuha yung puntos over Ives Dignadice.
Eksakto 6 na minuto natitira sa first quarter.
Bumalasa itong si Coach Ron Jacobs at si Jun Limpot naman nagkatablahan po dito.
Ang ako pa na San Miguel Beer pero mukha ngayon pa lamang nila magagawa. Limpot asserting himself. At ito, 15 puntos na ang kalamangan ng Realtors.
Dapat mag-ingat ang Philippines because yung number 11 player ng Saudi, bumalik na naman.
Okay, ng Jones Cup, Noli Yala po kasama si Kinito Henson. Outside shot, Jun Limpot, another one. This is going to be another PLDT long distance shot in the Philippines.
There's the return to the Christmas squad there. The left side, Christmas squad.
Nakibang 2 break.
Tatapusin ni Limpot. At alam ni Limpot na may dumarating sa likod niya. Nakakamdaman niya no? Kahit na malayo pa, indudot sa wall.
Yeah, and so far they've done a good job together.
Isolation, Jun Limpot. Buksa si Jun Limpot. Trickles in. And Jun Limpot on fire in this ball game. Supalpal ka, Iho! Pero nato si Jun Limpot at ang kagandahan ng dalawa.
Ginamit pa yung banda sa Tiyan Press, pero bigo. And Asitaw lang. Offensive foul niya, mga offensive foul. Manuluwag na daw si Asitaw.
Jun Limpot driving strong to the basket. At sinalubong siya ni Yuki the free throw line.
Si Yuki holding down Jun Limpot as he went to the basket. They're gonna look at him number 6. Parang enforcer ito dito. Kanina medyo gusto makipag...
At tignan natin, merong foul na tatawagan and that will...
Para kay Jun Limpot, napaganda ng kanyang laro. It's a pity na hindi nila nakuha yung panalo ngayong gabi. But Limpot with a monster game and he had 10 rebounds.
Nang ginawa ito. At si Jun Limpot ang nahuli sa pagkakataon ito. Earlier, it was Dennis Espino. So yung